Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jazz and I do hair videos and also other sorts of videos. Today, this video is all about hair length. I'm trying this new thing, not new thing because it's been used by women for a very long time. So this is nothing new, but I've been using rice water to rinse my hair out for the past month, I believe. So I would like to share with you guys how I do it. Rice water has been used by women in Asia and also women in Africa. I'm pretty sure that you guys have seen videos of black women with like hair down their backs, down their feet. So they've been using rice water to grow their hair. Rice water has a lot of benefits. It detangles your hair. It makes your hair smoother. It increases shine. It makes your hair stronger and it makes your hair grow longer. So that's, you know, everything that we want right now. Facts. Rice water is not only used for the hair, you can use it for your face also. If you have a lot of spots on your face, rice water would be good for you to clear that up. Also, the thing that I love about this trick is that it's natural. You know, educated natural. Yes. One thing, since we're letting it sit overnight, you're gonna see that your rice water is gonna smell really bad. Okay, we're gonna have to add a little bit of essential oil just to make it smell decent, I guess. I'm going to use some peppermint oil, but you can use lavender or rosemary oil or any type of essential oil that you like. Tomorrow is wash day. So I want to show you what's my routine for now. Let's start with making the rice water. What you gotta do is take 1 cup of white rice. For this video I took about 1.5 cups just because my husband is a hater. He won't let me live unless I get his hair to be longer. So I'm making some for him too. But if you're by yourself, you can just use 1 cup of rice. If you live with your mom, I'm pretty sure your mom is gonna be super pissed off that you're using her rice. My mom would like kill me because I'm wasting her rice. And then you're gonna rinse it, okay? Take some water, then you're gonna pour it over your rice. Just make sure that the rice is very covered, very much so. So you just want to make sure that you have 1/3 of rice for your water. I'm going to let it sit overnight. You don't have to put it in the fridge, you just have to let it sit at room temperature. So my sister has been using it for over 2 to 3 months, and let me tell you, her hair has grown like so much. She cut her hair back in 2017, around September 2017, and her hair grew like crazy. You know, I'm amazed by that. I decided to get in on it and have my hair grown because I feel like I've hit a stage where my hair just like sits at my shoulders and I want more, you know? A girl wants more. So there are actually 3 ways to make rice water. The quickest way is to soak the rice into the water for about 30 minutes. The second method is to let it sit overnight. There are more benefits to have your rice water fermented than to let it soak for 30 minutes, because then you get all the nutrients and all the benefits of the rice, like amino acid, vitamin C, B vitamins, and all that jazz. And the third method is to boil your rice into the water. At the end of each method, you're gonna have to strain the water to get the rice part out of it, and so that you can use the water itself. On that note, I guess I'll see you tomorrow. It's the next day. I finished washing my hair and I put them into space buns because I wanted to stretch them to the max. I washed my hair, well, I co-washed them. I sprayed my hair with the rice water, and then I waited for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes is a pretty long time. You can either like just be bored and stay put, or you can read a magazine, you can even dance while listening to some music. I basically did all 3 of them. Don't judge me. After the 30 minutes, I went ahead and rinsed my hair, and just to be a little bit on the safe side, I put on a little bit of conditioner that I rinsed out later, and yeah, that's it. I continued my routine as usual. It's not that complicated. Basically, all you need to do is add the rice water into your routine and leave it on for 30 minutes as if it was like a treatment, and then you rinse it off. So hopefully I will be able to see some progress in the near future, and hopefully you guys also will be able to notice something. I will probably do a length check, let's say every month or so that you guys can see exactly my progress. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell button so that whenever I post a new video, you will be the first to be noticed. Thanks for watching my video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.